The Semrush topic research tool is pretty helpful for discovering new topics that you can blog about, create content around, to develop more organic search traffic for your website. Now, if you don't already have a Semrush account, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial, use a bunch of the features that I'm going to be showing you. But once you're signed into your account, you just come over to the Content Marketing tab and click on Topic Research. And then you put a search term in here, or just a topic of any sort. Click Get Content Ideas, and then it's going to show you this whole breakdown of different topics that you can target. And there's some different views here, so you can go to the Explorer and kind of see the line item breakdown here. You can also get a little overview, which is just kind of like a slightly different view here. And then there's even this mind map, which can be helpful to kind of like see exactly how everything lines up. But if we come back over to the card view, we can expand each of these. We can see the subtopic volume, how difficult it's going to be to rank for these terms, topic efficiency, and then there's a bunch of headlines here which are like, and you can go and view all of these different pages to see like what content is being created for these different headlines. There's also a bunch of different questions that you could target, and there's often a pretty long list here. You can sort these by the different types of questions, like what, how, which, is, why, does. And then there's also some related searches down here at the bottom if you want to continue to expand things out. And then of course you can export these to a Excel file if you want to dive further into all the little details of each topic here. And then you can also switch between different countries. So if you're not in the United States, you can put a different country in here. And then you can get ideas on a specific topic. You can even create AI content, add it to like Trello if you want to create a list of blogs that you want to be writing, and create SEO templates. You can even dismiss a card if you don't really want to see it anymore. And then you can use this little search feature here to get ideas on this topic. If you want to learn more about specific subtopics relating to one of these main topics up here. So it's a pretty helpful tool. It's also pretty straightforward. I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now, because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.